Those are metal, rebar, flat rebar. When you have a cracked concrete, when concrete is cracked, cuts are done here, transversal to the crack. Epoxy is inserted, and then those flat bar are hammered in, pushed in until the epoxy puffed out. Then you seal the whole thing, and at the end, voila, you have stitched concrete. It will not crack here, it will not go. It's done in both ways. And then later, liquid epoxy is injected. It's injected from the bottom, drill on the bottom, injected until it starts pouring out of here on the top. That means it's full, the whole thing. When it dries, it's complete. It's very, very strong. Now this one is already cut, you see, and then those one will be inserted in here when you get the epoxy. Put the epoxy and put those one in. That will do the stitching.
Lo.
Protection.